Just like myself, I'm sure that you've grown up hearing that you literally have to put in a lot of work or work a lot of hours in order to make a lot of money. But guys, we're living in an era right now where things and times has changed, where people are literally sitting in their homes and making a ton of money online. And as the title of this video said, I'm going to share you 5 applications that you can use right now, today, to make anywhere between $200 to $500 every single day. And I'm sure that you're excited to hear what these applications are. Now guys, I'll be sharing these apps within no orders, but you want to sit back and watch the entire video because I will be letting you know which one of these applications you can literally make the most money from so that you can capitalize on your earnings. With that said, let's jump into the first of the 5 applications that you can use right now to start earning money online today. Let's jump in. Alright guys, so the first app on the list is Uprock AI. Make AI work for you by simply sharing your internet and earn passive income instantly. Now guys, this is an AI mobile app that allows you to earn tokens and even exclusive rewards by simply sharing your data. All you have to do is just simply install this app and share your data. Now to make money with this application is extremely easy. All you have to do is just simply install the application and you can earn money instantly. Now once you install the app, you will be part of the Web3 movements, which is contributing guys to the dynamic AI network. And that's all you have to do. You'll be contributing to applications such as ChatGPT, Bing AI, and so much more. So all you have to do guys is just simply install the application and you can start making money every single day. Now there are 2 options to install this application. All you have to do is just simply log on to your dashboard and install the Uprock AI Earnings app. Then create your Web3 profile and start earning tokens and exclusive rewards. Or the another way, you can just simply head over to your app store and simply install the Uprock AI Earnings app. Right now it's available for iPhone users, but if you're an Android user, you can easily pre-register. Now guys, if you head over to the Google Play Store, you realize that the application is there. So you can also try to install this application directly from the Google Play Store. Now guys, you can see that this is a brand new app and there are only just over 10,000 people who are currently using this application right now. So you want to simply install this application, join the community, and start earning money with this app before tons of millions of people see this application and start to join it and discover the way how to make money very easily with this app. So you want to jump on this right now and start earning money with this application. Now guys, before we jump into the next application, I want to ask you a small favor. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if you're finding value in this video right now. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right below. It's absolutely free so that you can join the community and you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Now let's jump into the next app. Now guys, the second app on the list is Earnin. And they said make money at the speed of you. Let me tell you about this app. So guys, if you're currently working a 9-to-5 job, and you know how it works, is that you either get paid at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month. And there are times when you're so freaking broke and need some cash right away, but you have to wait or you have to ask someone, whether a relative or a friend, to get some cash. But with Earnin, it is a lifesaver because what this application do, it will allow you to get up to $100 per day out of the money that you earn. So all you have to do is just simply install this application. It's available for iOS and Android devices, and simply fill out your employer details and you can easily get up to $100 per day within minutes upfront out of your paycheck. So you don't have to wait until the end of the month to actually get some money. So if you're making $1,000 per month and you need $100 right now, all you have to do is request $100, and then at the end of the month when you get your pay, then you will receive $900 because then they will take $100 out of that. And that's all you have to do. Now guys, as you can see, this app is killing it right now because it's on Forbes, NerdWallet, ABC News, New York Times, and the Wall Street Journal. I am telling you guys, this app is a lifesaver. As you can see, over $15 billion in earnings assessed by our community. That is mind-blowing coming from Daniel. So if you're ever in need of some money, all you have to do is just simply install this app and you can get money every single day. So for every single day, you can easily cash out up to $100 by simply installing this application and request that money that you need upfront. Amazing. Now guys, the next application on the list is this application by the name of Coin that will literally reward you for simply installing the application and going about your daily business, your daily life. It is available in the App Store and also on the Google Play Store, so you can install this on both devices. Once you install the application, instantly you will get 1,000 coin for simply joining this application. All you have to do, install the application, share your location data, and do things that you will normally do. Whether you're on the go traveling or commuting to work, or you're going for a jog, or you're running, or you're going to buy food, or whatever you're doing, guys, whatever you're doing in your daily life, all you have to do is just simply install the application, and this application will work wherever you are. All you have to do is make sure that you have your GPS, Wi-Fi, or mobile connection on, and it doesn't matter where in this world you are. This application will still work and it will allow you to earn. So as I said guys, you just need to go about your daily life and simply earn money with this application called Coin. Now guys, if you head over to the Google Play Store, for example, you can see that XY Labs Inc. is currently the owner of this application. It has over 106,000 reviews guys, a 4.6 rating application with over 1 million downloads. So guys, this application is killing it right now, and people are simply installing this application and make money and earning using this application. So you want to go ahead and try out this application and start earning right now with this app. Now guys, the next app on the list is Runtopia, a GPS tracker for run. Now if you're a fitness person and a person who go on runs from time to time, then this app is the perfect app for you, because with Runtopia, this is a GPS running app that tracks your runs and your fitness and help you to set running goals. And actually it motivates you because it will pay you for doing these running activities. As you can see, over 39.7 thousand review, an application with 4.4 star and over 1 million downloads. So as you can see right now, this app is killing it, and for people who are involved within fitness, this is a great app for you to easily install and to start earning money utilizing this app. And guys, the final app on the list that you can earn money with, and I say good money, is Earn FM. Earn money online passively. And how does it work? You earn money by simply sharing your internet connection, guys. And here you can see that this application is available for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS devices, and even Docker. Now, how do you earn money with this application, guys? All you have to do is just simply install the application, earn, and cash out. It's as easy as that. Now look how much money you can make with this website, guys. If you're able to share up to 20 gigs of data per month, and you have a bunch of devices, let's say between 8 to 12 devices, or even 15 devices, if you get some of your friends and family members to use this application, you can easily make $1,800 per month. So if you want to get your friends and your families, your brothers and sisters to install this application, you can easily make this money and you can easily give them a small cutout of that. How amazing is that? Now guys, let's talk realistically. In a household, you will have between 4 to 8 devices. So if you have just about 4 devices within your household and you manage to use up to 20 gig or even 10 gigs per data, you can easily cash in anywhere between $330 to up to $600 per month. And as I said, you can include in your friends and your family and make up to $1,800 per month by simply utilizing this app. Now guys, this is mind-blowing, and all you have to do is just simply install the application and share your internet connection. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value in this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Real Money Wisdom. I'm Andrew, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.